We are sitting in this laboratory, which is Unit Operations Laboratory of Chemical Engineering Department. This is a core part of our curriculum where students do experiments related to unit operations that are typically used in chemical industry. Variety of subjects essentially ranging from heat transfer, mass transfer, chemical reaction engineering, process control, fluid mechanics. They are all part of this lab. This contribution from Mr. Jeet Bindra has helped us in multiple ways. The first and foremost is it permitted us to replace the decade-old setups and get new ones which are having sort of much more fulfilling experience. Some other experiments that we had, we found that the kind of pedagogical experience or learning experience we are looking for, we do not have any such ready-made setups available. Thanks to the staff of the lab and the students or the TAs that we have been working in this lab, we were actually able to come up with new setups, customized new setups where we could explore much more aspects of the engineering. Different ideas from different fields could be combined into one. For example, Nachiket tried using data acquisition card, which reduced the drudgery of the experiments of recording multiple readings, both temperature measurements or pressure measurements. We had many such innovations possible, all because of the flexibility that we had thanks to the donation from Mr. Bindra. The other, and I would say subtle aspect, is because of the flexibility that we had, we are now, and it came at a very opportune moment, because now we have our new undergraduate curriculum being revised, and in this process we are sort of using the experiences from this improvement and modernization of the unit operations lab to introduce the students to a much more immersive and engaging learning experience. So right now we are trying to merge the theoretical classes or complement the theoretical classes with hands-on experiments with the setups that we have here, and then also add a simulation component to the experiments, to the theory courses, where the students will try mimicking whatever they are observing in experiments using simulations, also do some out-of-the-box simulations which probably, for example, cannot be done in a laboratory scale. And that way the three different components, the theory part, the simulation part and the experimental hands-on part, all three together will give them a much more enhanced and immersive learning experience.
What we have been doing recently, which is in some sense due to the contribution that we've received from Mr. Jeet Bindra, is that we've been able to tinker with some of these experiments. For example, we've been trying to install data acquisition and trying to automate data acquisition through all of these setups such that the student experience then is improved. So the students are able to spend more time on thinking about engineering concepts than just writing down data.
I would like to thank Mr. Jeet Bindra for generous support towards upgradation of undergraduate lab. This is going to be very beneficial for many batches of bachelors for years to come.